So this is Nvidia, and let's check it out. What is the main move up here, and can we spot this kind of move and make some profit out of it? So as usual, we'll check it out on the weekly chart. This weekly chart now. Yeah, after this serious downtrend, this from 2024 all the way down to 2025 April. So this downtrend from here to here is about 5 months, almost 5 months. And during this type of move downwards, there is some minor uh, rebound here, which if you enter, you try to catch a trend here, thinking that it will move up, you will most probably will be losing money here as well. So these are small losses. So if it continues going down and you see the trend is slowing down, you most probably won't be entering here and here because let's change this to another color, easier to see. Let's change to yellow. Okay, so most probably you won't be entering these tools because um, main support area, as you can see here, main support is somewhere around here. So when it touches the main support, this is also the support area, as you can see here. So when it touches this area and momentum slows, this is where you should enter. What we see in the past 1 or 2 days, the strong spike, like this one, strong move upwards, is most probably due to a longer term trend movement. As you can see here, when the strong downtrend ends here and it goes very strong, you can see the candles are getting very, very big. So expect Nvidia to be continuing upwards in the long run. You can see that the moving average is also still pointing upwards, so it's still looking good. You should continue to retest this area and most probably break above it, maybe have some kind of pullbacks before breaking out. So yeah, Nvidia will be going upwards. There's no doubt about it. As you can see here is a positive area since 2023. The demand for chips will be greater in the future with a lot more emphasis on AI and everything. So yeah, it will continue going up. So let's check out the daily chart. Daily chart shows that it has some kind of small pullbacks after touching this previous strong high. It pulls back a little bit and starts recovering. So I expect it to pull back a little bit more before recovering so that it has more strength. But any rebound from here, it might goes back up to $150 soon. But I prefer a stronger pullback towards the 200-day moving average. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Hourly chart, it shows that it has a breakout. See, this is a very strong breakout. All the candles are getting very, very big. Yeah. Normally, if I trade, I will most probably be using 30 minutes instead of 1 hourly. 30 minutes shows better looks, in my opinion. Like this one. Oops. So this is a very strong consolidation zone. Anything breaks below, it's a rebound. So when the price goes below this previous support, this is the next one you should look at. So when it touches here and a rebound, you should enter when the momentum slows here. And then it goes all the way up and a small pullback and continue going upwards now. So it should continue all the way up. Nvidia is a very strong stock in my opinion. But short term wise, this is 15-minute chart. Short term wise, it shows that it is slowing in momentum. So expect some kind of pullback coming soon. Maybe we'll go down, retest to our let's call it to our moving average. What's this? Okay, so you'll most probably be pulling back. Maybe it's not that dramatic all the way to the moving average, but then if any move down here, it will most probably be going upwards in the longer run. So any pullbacks from this kind of stock, when it pulls back, it's best to try to enter here. Any pullbacks here will be nice for entry. So you can enter here, here, and any it might goes here and then goes down like this. So all these areas are good entry points. So yeah, that's how you, since the moving average, I mean the longer term chart is on the uptrend. So most probably it will be continue to test this area. Any move upwards in the long term chart, you can use a lower time frame for entry. Just look for any pullbacks like this kind of a strong momentum. There is bound to have some kind of pullback soon, because it should retest this area. Retest this area and then continue upwards. So any pullbacks around to this area is a very nice buy position, buy location. You can try to enter here. Nvidia, it should be a very easy stock to play. The trend lines are very nice. You can see it's very orderly. Even the pullbacks is very strong, very nice. So this should break out. Immediate target, I will say around 180. Immediate target, it should reach here and then pull back and continue upwards, hopefully. So if you are planning to buy Nvidia, always look at lower time frames. Time your entry on a pullback, like a 30-minute chart. So any pullbacks is a good entry as long as it's above this moving average. It might break below, then pull back again. So this is a very common way to buy a stock on a lower time frame. Make sure the longer time frame, this higher time frame, make sure it's still on an uptrend before you try this kind of lower time frame entry point. Because after all, uh, imagine this might also can change into a head and shoulder pattern. Is it possible? It might be. Just be careful, okay? Even though it's quite positive at the moment, it might change. It might change because semiconductors and all these electronics are very, very volatile stocks at the moment. One moment it can be flying high, another it can be crashing downwards. So be very aware of what you're taking on. Okay, this is only about Nvidia, so I'm not going to put too long onto it. So check out my older videos, subscribe, and also share out my videos. Thank you.